Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AWS Backup for EC2 and VPS workloads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with AWS Backup for EC2 and VPS workloads, log into your AWS Management Console. Once you are logged in, navigate to the AWS Backup service. In the AWS Backup dashboard, click on the Get Started button if you are new to the service. If you have existing backup plans, look for the option to create a new one. Select the Backup Plans tab from the left-hand menu. Click on the Create Backup Plan button. You will be prompted to either build a new plan or use a template. If you choose to build a new plan, fill in the necessary details such as the name and description of your backup plan. Next, set the backup frequency to determine how often backups will be taken. Choose the backup window, which specifies when the backup jobs will run. Select the lifecycle configuration to manage your backups, including retention and transition to cold storage if needed. Once you have configured these settings, click on the Create Plan button. After creating your backup plan, you will need to assign resources to it. Select the Assign Resources option within your created backup plan. Here, you can specify which EC2 instances or VPS workloads you want to include in your backup. Choose the resource type relevant to your needs. Typically, this will be EC2 for cloud instances. You will also need to provide the backup vault where your backups will be stored. After assigning resources, review the configurations and click Assign Resources. With your resources assigned, AWS Backup will begin to enforce the backup plan you created. Regularly monitor the backup progress through the dashboard to ensure successful backups. In case of any failures, check the logs for issues and make necessary adjustments. You can always update your backup plan by returning to the AWS Backup dashboard. Take advantage of the various features AWS Backup offers, such as notifications and backup compliance reports. By following these steps, you can efficiently register with AWS Backup for your EC2 and VPS workloads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.